Hi guys. Today we will be installing. Today we will be connecting three monitors, or how many ever monitors you want to connect to M1 MacBook Pro. That is possible. That is what I'm going to show you how. So let's see how to do that. For this, you need a display link chipset. Okay, you need a display link chipset adapter. Something with a display link chipset adapter. Display link drivers from this display link drivers are freely available on the website, display link website. So you can download it for M1 MacBook Pro. And apart from that, you might need a USB hub. Okay, and there is one more thing which you need to understand. For connecting an M1 MacBook Pro to multiple monitors, that is really not possible. That is not at all possible, because M1 MacBook Pro will allow only one monitor via either of the there are two USB-C port, but sorry, Thunderbolt port. You will be able to connect only one monitor via either of the port. Okay, so you think that you will connect one adapter here and one adapter to the other port. That is not possible. Only one port will be enabled for HDMI, for external monitor. Okay, so come, let's see how to connect that. Okay, these are the three monitors I have connected. So one, two, three monitors, and then this is my MacBook Pro screen. So I will tell you that what are the things are possible, what are the things you need. So first is, you need a display link chipset. For connecting three monitors, you need two display link chipset adapter. This is one display link chipset adapter. Okay, which is a cable creation, which costs around 2888. And this is another display link chipset which I purchased. This is from Dell, which I purchased from Amazon. But I'm not really satisfied with this, because this is a USB-C adapter. However, it has two display port. This two display ports are not working with this M1 MacBook Pro. I don't know what is the reason. This M1 Pro is not recognizing the display cables connected to this adapter. Okay, so I'm not really satisfied with this. I will not recommend you to buy this. However, you need one HDMI is possible. HDMI is working. Apart from that, two display ports are not working with this adapter. So there are two display link chipset adapter which you saw. And then I have purchased an hyperdrive, which is 16,999. See, this is a hyperdrive. This is really good. This is not a Thunderbolt Thunderbolt hub, but this is a USB-C, just a USB-C hub, which is connected. This cable is provided by the hyperdrive. See, I have connected directly to the MacBook Pro. This is a USB-C hub. So you can go with the cheapest USB-C hub like this. One PI box. This costs around 800, and you might go with this display link chipset. So with this you will be able to achieve two monitors, because this has one HDMI output and it has a USB output. So in this USB output, you will be able to connect this cable creation USB to HDMI adapter to this USB. So you will have two monitors with this, and you will also be able to charge your MacBook Pro with this. But it works really great. It really works good. So in case if you are running short and you wanted to have however you want to have a good monitors, or two monitors, you may go for this cheap options. So this costs around 800, and this costs around 2888. For 4000, you will be able to connect multiple monitors to this MacBook Pro. That is two monitors to this MacBook Pro. So these are the thing. So the next thing I'm very much sure that the next thing you wanted to know is, like, will this option work with the clamshell mode? What is clamshell mode? After the MacBook Pro is closed, lid is closed, you want to know if the monitor will work with this cheap options. Okay, this cheap option, yes, it will work. This clamshell mode, you will let me show you how. First thing is, you need to connect an USB-C to the MacBook Pro, or to the USB-C hub. where it can charge. It needs a charge. Okay, that's it. The same procedure I will show you. So right now I have connected. Did you hear the sound? I have connected the USB-C for charging this MacBook Pro. So you see that. You see it is charging 88%. Okay. Okay. Right now what I will do, you see I will close the lid. I will close the lid. You see all the three MacBook Pros are working. You see it? So 1, 2, 3. So all the three monitors are working. MacBook Pro is closed. So right now you are able to view the screen. The third thing you wanted to see is you want to know will the monitor will this hub will provide the sound if you have a sound in the monitor, right? So let me show you. These two monitors does not have a speaker, but this monitor has a speaker. So I will show you. So right now the sound audio is coming from this MacBook Pro. Okay, right now the audio is coming from this MacBook Pro for all the three monitors. If you see, for all the three monitors, this MacBook Pro sound is coming from output is coming from this MacBook Pro. Okay. So right now we will change the sound output to this monitor. It has a speaker. So you see USB advanced audio device. I went inside sound and I have selected sound output to USB advanced audio device. Okay. Now let's see. Sorry, now I have changed to USB 3 to, no, it is not USB advanced audio device, it is USB 3 to HDMI. So I have selected that, and now the audio is coming out from this monitor. Okay, I'll show you. You hear the sound? This monitor sound is really bad, but the audio is not coming from this MacBook Pro. So now you are I think you are very clear about connecting multiple monitors to this M1 MacBook Pro. So if you wanted to, again I'm telling you, if you wanted to go for a cheap option, you can go with this PI box, which costs around 800. This acts as a USB. It is actually an USB-C hub, which is supposed to provide a 4K video output, and a USB. You can connect an external drive and you can charge your MacBook Pro at the same time. So this is I purchased this for my iPad Pro, and actually I have tried using this. This works with this MacBook Pro as well. So, but make sure that you purchase a adapter with the DisplayLink chipset to get your additional monitor. Okay, so if you want to connect one monitor is possible with this MacBook Pro without any problem, but if you wanted to connect an additional monitor, you definitely need a DisplayLink chipset adapter. So that is when you need this cable creation adapter, which costs around, you see this is just a simple USB 3 to HDMI output. This is actually 2888, which is available in Amazon.in. Make sure that when you purchase something, it has a DisplayLink chipset. Okay, that is the main important thing when you wanted to connect a multiple monitors to this M1 MacBook Pro. So again, I'm telling you the price is, this one is 800 or something, which is available on Amazon. Still, it is still available. This one is 2888. This cable creation is 2888. So just with this two, you will be able to get two adapters. Sorry, two monitors. Okay, but in case if you wanted to go for a bigger options where you need to connect multiple devices like SD. This is micro SD card, and then this is another SD card adapter. So there are two USB 3 ports, and then one USB power, USB 2.0 power adapter, where you can power your USB device like charge your iPhone or something. And then here you have I'll show you. And this side you have USB 2.0 port, two USB 2.0 port, and two display, one HDMI, two display port for connecting display port monitors, and then Toslink optical port, and then Ethernet port, and then VGA port. This make sure that we either VGA or display port, either one will work. Both port will not work at the same time. And one USB-C for charging, and this USB-C for charging, and this is a USB-C cable which is provided by this hyperdrive, and it is detachable. This is detachable, where if you want to detach it and you can use it. Okay, so you can connect this. These are the options which is available here in this hyperdrive. So in case you have any doubt, you can put some comment. I will try to reply you ASAP. And this one Dell adapter, this is also a DisplayLink chipset adapter. I will provide you a link. This will actually, it has, I will tell you what all this has. This has one USB-C port where you can connect your USB-C with devices, and then you have headset output, and then two USB 3.0 port, and then you also have two USB 3 another two USB 3 port and Ethernet port. And what is this? I'm not sure. This is another headset port or something. I think another headset. Okay, I will provide you in the description. Maybe this is an output. Sorry, this is an audio output port. This is an audio output port, and then two display ports which is not working with this M1 MacBook Pro. Please note that this two display ports are not working with this M1 MacBook Pro. One HDMI, only one HDMI is working with this M1 MacBook Pro. Okay, so and this is actually a powered device, and this cable creation DisplayLink chipset is non-powered device. So that is the reason I am suggesting this. It also has a good review on Amazon, and this is also having a good review on Amazon, but I'm not sure how what reason this display ports are not working. It is I have surfed through the net, and I didn't find a solution for it. But however, you need to know that this is a powered adapter. Okay, so you will have this kind of a mess. One plug which will come from here, and then there will be a power brick, and from that power brick something goes to this USB hub. Okay, USB hub. So these are the problems. So you decide whether you wanted to, which one you wanted to go, but you can connect two monitors. It is possible with the DisplayLink chipset. Okay, thank you guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, please let me know. So please, in case if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel. I will be posting lot of videos. Regarding bike ride. I will try to do a lot of bike rides. I like food, so I will try to provide reviews on food, and then I will unbox a lot of things. I like gadgets a lot, so I will try to unbox a lot of things, and beyond my limit I will try to unbox things. beyond my affordability. I will try to unbox a lot of things and try to show you, because I am kind of a gadget freak, so I will do that. So please subscribe to my channel if you are interested in my views. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.